Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, today's video, once again, is brought to you by AUXBEAM. They reached out to me and asked me to test their new P10 series LED headlight for the vehicle. And we've got Dale's, what year is this, 2004? 2007 Nissan Titan. It's got the factory style headlight lens and housings in there with incandescent bulbs. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and do an install. Stay tuned. There's no fender liner on this truck, so easy access to the back of the headlight. That's probably kind of hard to see in there, but go around this way.
One in.
That was easy. All right, there's the back of the assembly right there. I got this side in. There we go. We'll do a night shot, but from what I can see during the day, it's like a nice LED.
Very bright.
Yeah. All right, we'll insert a before and an after here at the end, but I would like to thank AUXBEAM once again for sending these out. Again, this is the new P10 series and they're very low profile. They are the same size, if not maybe just slightly even smaller than the factory. And it has an integrated fan, I notice, in the back. So stay tuned for the night shot.